Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A team in Microsoft Teams is a group of people connected by a common purpose, such as work or shared interests. Teams allows users to chat, meet, call, and share information to achieve goals. Teams are comprised of channels, which are the places where the conversations take place. Channels can be standard and visible to everyone on the team, or they can be private and accessible only by specific team members. By default, every team comes with a standard general channel. Channels can be created for different projects, departments, and topics. At the top of each channel is a series of tabs which provide members access to content and services within the dedicated environment of a channel or a chat. For example, to see the files shared within a channel, click the Files tab at the top of the channel. The Posts tab of a channel contains a history of all the channel's public conversations, whereas in a chat, the Chat tab shows the history of the private conversations of those that are part of the chat. You can customize the rows of tabs by adding and removing tabs in a channel, which we'll look at later in this course. If you are managing a lot of channels, you can filter for them and even pin frequently used or important channels to the top of the channels list to make finding them easier. When managing teams, channels, chats, and other items in Microsoft Teams, you often use the More Options ellipsis that appear to the right of the item. Click the More Options ellipsis to view the menu choices from which to select.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.